Hey guys, welcome back to Vinegar-Based Productions Tips and Tricks. Today, I'm going to be talking about graphics and how to integrate them into your video. Some common graphics used in videos that we produce that are predominantly narrative driven are a title card, something to help introduce the video, and then lower thirds, something that identifies the person that's being interviewed on camera. And those can be done a ton of different ways. You can create your own lower third, you can keep it simple text, or there's lots of great templates out there these days that have a little animated thing that swirls in, places for you to put the names, super easy to incorporate. The main thing to remember with graphics is keep it simple. I like to use the KISS technique. And if you've heard that before, it's a very simple way to include graphics and don't get too out of control. Don't do things just to show off your skills as a graphic animator or try to impress your client. Keep it simple, tasteful, and clean. Those are the best pieces of advice I can give for graphics. Too many times I've seen editors go crazy with graphics and it really takes away from the story and the message of your video. So use that KISS technique and keep it simple. All right guys, this was a quick one about graphics. If you like this video and you found it helpful, click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll get notified about our next video where I'll be talking about sound design. It can really make or break your next video.